Hello, I am trying a database I haven't tried out for a long time. I was speaking to one of our chemistry professors here at HBU. My name is Diane K. Spear, and I went into the ACS publications, as you can see, and I'm not familiar with this database, so I actually chatted online with one of the individuals there, and wow, this is more powerful than I thought. So I have two words I'm looking for, and if I search, I'm not even sure I'm pronouncing it right. Um, Mukaiyama, and by itself, uh, I get over 6,000. Okay, but I actually want two terms together, and I was like, how do you put them together? Well, if you go back, or you just do another search here and you add ALDOL, it will search for both of those together, and you get 2,452. So my question was, is it searching through every article and finding the word on one spot and another word in another spot, and they're not even together as a phrase? Because the chemistry professor I was talking to said that she used quotes so that the database would read it as a phrase. So I wasn't sure what was the best way to refine this search to get to what you really needed. So as you can see, running this search, I get 2,452. If I do like the professor said and add the quotes, and like I said, I know nothing about chemistry at all. All right, so let me search that. And now I have 1,062. So cut off roughly a little more than 1,000 hits to go through. And it's looking for this as a phrase, okay? But look at what happens when I do this. Let me revise the search, start over, and just run the search like this. Put in one word, Mukaiyama. And then it says refine search. Wow, great. I didn't even see that. So click on revise. Now you have all these options. You see you can narrow it by dates, by what type of articles you wanted, access type, anywhere in the record, the title of the article, the author's name, the abstract, anywhere. Let me go ahead and just put in the other word, which is Aldo, ALDOL, and I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. And we'll run that now and see what it narrows down to. So I'll run that, search it, and I have the same number of hits, okay? Let me refine it again. Let's say I want these two words to be closer together. So I'm going to tell it I want it to be in the abstract of the article. And let's run that search now. See what happens. Now I only have 258 to go through to look through. So like I said, I don't know hardly anything about chemistry at all, but that's one way that you can narrow it down. If you look, it's pulling everything up by relevance. And then if you go over here and look under article type, you get these different ways that you can limit it down. You can actually open more here and get news or these other ones. Get an article review or chapter. If I go down here, I can limit by how many months, by the author's names, by the publications, or the types of topics that I need. But I just wanted to show you, you don't have to go through, 2,000 plus articles or even 1,000. You can narrow it down by doing it this way. Okay, let's see, refine search again. If I want to look for, let's change something. Let's leave it like it is. But let's say anywhere I want to see this as a phrase. I don't know if it's ever hyphenated, so I'm going to try that too. See what happens. This is like in the full text, I'm hoping. So run that. Okay, we're still getting 258 hits. Let's refine it again. Let's try figure table caption. Now we're down to only 68, okay? So play with this, those of you who are taking chemistry, and you know a little bit more than I do about chemistry, and see how you like ACS. Thanks.